Welcome back to the channel, guys. Check this out, a clean, good running vintage Pioneer farm saw. This thing is an absolute beast from the golden age of chainsaws. Heavy raw power, and man, this thing still runs like a champ. But how does it sound? Well, let's find out. If you're into power tools, vintage chainsaws, antiques, anything with an engine, guys, this one's for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.